Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Play Store application. Now in the search bar, type in Bigo Live. Now if this app requires an update, then an update button will be visible. And here you can see one. So tap on it. And that is how you can update Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.